Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Veronica, and today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm coming with one of the most requested video. If you guys would like to see a review of this wig right here, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, give this video a really big thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified every single time that I update on a video on my YouTube channel. And that's for the video. Let's go ahead and start with the video. So as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm coming with one of the most requested video on my entire channel. If you guys watch my hot red invisible wig tutorial, you guys might recognize this hair. This wig is from Remy Blue, and I got it 2 months ago. And honestly, I haven't seen a video being requested on my channel like this wig. It's crazy, and I'm really happy that you guys did, because that way I can actually show you guys how the hair still looks like after 2 months being with me. Obviously, the length of the wig is 26 inches, and the density is 150. The color that I have is J99. I didn't dye the hair. I haven't customized the lace or anything like that. The hair is still like how I got it. Let's just go ahead and start with the review. So as you guys can see, this is how the wig looks like after I took the wig off of my head, and you guys can see that the wig still look amazing. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna start brushing the wig before I start washing it. So today I decided to use the hot water method. The reason why I'm using this method is because I want to prove you guys how good the quality of this wig is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check the wig and I'm gonna put it on this part right here, and I'm gonna leave the wig about 10 or 15 minutes. This method also gonna help me to melt the extra glue that we always have on the lace. So when I'm gonna wash the wig, it's gonna be more easy for me to take the glue off. So that's the other reason why I love using this method. So yeah, so after the 15 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the water off. So as you guys can see, the water is red. That means the color is coming off a little bit, and this is how the wig looks like. This is the lace of the wig, and the glue as you guys can see is melted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my hand to take the glue off, because it's more easy to do, and you can also use a little bit of soap. And then I'm gonna start washing the hair with my Pantene. I'm using this color volume shampoo from Pantene, and I'm gonna start washing the hair with it. I'm gonna wash the hair like how I will normally wash my natural hair. So while I'm washing the hair, I'm always gonna go back to my lace and check if I still have any extra glue, and if I do, I will take it off. So that's what I'm doing, washing the hair, go to the lace, and then take any extra glue. And as you guys can see, it's very easy. There is not any secret or anything like that. So after that, I'm gonna use this conditioner right here from Tres M. Oh my god, my Spanish accent. So yeah, I'm gonna put the conditioner. Honestly, I thought it's a conditioner, but it was a shampoo. You should use your conditioner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start brushing the hair. As you guys can see, detangle the hair, and I'm using this comb that I got it from Winners, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's basically kind of like open. You can also use any wet brush. Basically, that's how I wash and conditioner my wigs. And after detangle everything, I'm gonna see you guys when the hair gonna be dry. And yeah, basically this is how the hair looks like after the hair get dry. And as you guys can see, the volume is still look amazing, the color is still on, and honestly I'm so in love with it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start straightening the hair. So basically, when I straighten my hair, I use this straightener that I got like years ago from Sally Beauty Supply, and I'm also gonna use in a small comb. And I'm just gonna fast this part of the video because I don't know how to explain this. Like, I'm basically straightening my hair like everybody does, I think so. can see, this is how the wig looks like. I already straightened the hair and everything. The only thing that I'm gonna do right now is just install the wig, and yeah, I'm gonna fast that part because I have a couple videos on my YouTube channel showing you guys how I install my wig, so I'm gonna link them down below. But yeah, this is how the wig looks like. This is the front of the wig, and I'm just gonna go ahead and install it like how I said. I'm so excited.
That's good.
This is the final result, and this is how the wig looks like. The density of the wig is still as the first time that I got it. The same thing with the length, so I haven't lost any of those, if you guys wondering. And I also want to say that the color is still on. Honestly, I thought that when I'm gonna wash the wig, the color gonna change or the color gonna come out, or basically I thought that the color just gonna change. But guess what? The color is still on, and I really love it. The hair is still look amazing. I didn't have any problem washing the hair. It didn't detangle. The only thing that I will say is that before you wash your hair, make sure that you brush it. That way it's going to be more easy for you, and that's go to any type of hair, so not just this one right here. Any type of wig that you have, always make sure you brush it before you wash it. That way it's going to be more easy for you to manage. I kind of like lose a little bit of hair when I wash it, but that's normal. Even with your own natural hair, that's happen, you lose hair, but I didn't lose a lot, and I'm so happy about it. I think that's all I have to say, and thank you so much for all of you guys that request this video and also support my channel and watch all my videos. And I also want to say a huge thank you for all of you guys that support and just subscribe to my YouTube channel. So welcome for all the new subscribers, and also welcome for my OG fam. So yeah, let me know comment below what you guys think about this hair right here, and also if you guys purchase the wig, let me know what you guys think. How do you feel about it? Do you like it? How is the color? Did the hair came how you was expecting, and all of that? So it's really important that you guys comment down below, because that way I can actually know what you guys like and what you guys don't like. So make sure to comment. Please also make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So it's so important that you subscribe and be part of the VN fam, and share this video with your uncle, sister, dog, your neighbor, your mom, your auntie, your grandma. Like, share this video with everybody. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.